this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can plot only certain descriptions in front of only certain points. So this is based off our AutoMap system, and what we have is these 2 points have both 2 different descriptions, but we have them to not plot the full descriptions. We want them to just only certain description codes to print only certain descriptions. So in this case, for point 1, we look at the active coordinate editor, which has the description of ICI_AI. I wanted to plot a G in front of the point. And for point 2, that has a different description, I don't want to plot anything. So in this case, what we want to do is have the description here and the elevation right in front of it. So what I'm going to do is delete all my points. I'll start from scratch to show you what I've done. Delete those 2 points, and I'll delete the 2 layers that the AutoMap created. So now that I have nothing here, we'll take a look first at the AutoMap. So go to Traverse, AutoMap Library, and the 2 descriptions in question are the first 2. So if we take a look at the second one that didn't have anything, you can see that it's set to not plot any description in here. If I take a look at the first one for the AI description, I have it set to plot a description of G, and it's just going to default to the description layer. If I wanted to plot it on a different layer, I can just turn on description here and change which layer it's plotted on. So in this case, I'm going to leave everything as it is and press OK. So that's the AutoMap system. In this case, I'm not going to save it to the disk, but if you want to keep the system, you would. I'm going to go to MS Annotate, go to our labeling defaults. This is where we control how all our labels are created. So for this, we're going to take a look first at the descriptions. I've changed the positioning of it from the default, so I've given an X offset of 1.5 and got rid of the Y offset, so that way it prints it right in front of the point. For the elevations, I've done a little bit more changing. For rotation, I changed it from 45 to 90, and I gave it an offset of 2.5, so it plots right after that G letter in the description. And I also got rid of the Y offset. So let's take a look at what will happen here. So I have my AutoMap set up. So I'll just take a quick look at the AutoMap. Everything we're using just mscad.csv. And I'm just going to import an ASCII file of those 2 points. So I just have everything set to default. And I have it on my desktop here, ASCII. So you can see it imported the 2 points. It created the layers for elevation and description, and it only plotted the description on point 1 and not on point 2. Now some users might want to change colors or what layers these are put on. That would be all controlled on the AutoMap that I showed earlier.